The Australian Kelpie is one high-energy independent dog. Maybe you're thinking about getting one. Dig deep and do your homework first. For most people, the Kelpie is not a good choice. Employed in the rugged Australian outback to herd livestock, the Kelpie has smarts, endless energy and an amazing work ethic. Expecting one to live in a cramped apartment and adopt a lazy lifestyle? That's a recipe for disaster. Without plenty of exercise and mental stimulation, a Kelpie will become destructive as it seeks an outlet for its energy. They need plenty of space and daily exercise. They make an excellent jogging partner. With the right shelter, they do well living outside. Their all-weather coat suits them for both cold and hot weather. The Kelpie is a very healthy, long-lived breed, but like all breeds, does have a potential for genetic issues, so choose your breeder well. If you can give this amazing dog the exercise, space, and mental stimulation it needs, expect a strong, enduring bond, loyalty, and the adventure of a lifetime.